Hello, hello. Hope you're doing great. Hope you had a fantastic week. My name's Colton, but you can call me Colt. Here you will see a lot of videos with me, my dad, and my dogs that are mostly about the outdoors, building stuff, and nature videos, with as many animals as I can find put in them. Thanks for joining me on my little adventure, and I hope you learned something with me along the way. Enjoy.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays, Feliz Navidad, Happy Hanukkah, all sorts of things. Whatever you celebrate, I hope you and your family had a great time. My brother flew down, which was nice after he missed his first flight. Hell yeah, he made it down finally though. So we hung out for like a week, went down to my grandma's for Christmas. It was a good time. Yeah, so Merry Christmas. Hope everyone had a good one. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Love you guys. So, like yesterday or the day before. No, it's been like 3 days, but I plowed the driveway with the ATV and there was like no snow on it, and it like barely snowed, like at all. Just like little light fluffy stuff, like a centimeter here, centimeter there. And then over the night, it's up to there in my boots. It's like 6 inches of snow. And it's still snowing. Right, Archie? Yeah, get that leaf. Like, his legs are gone. He's like chest deep running through it. It's crazy. Like, I put the cover on the Snowdog last night because it was supposed to like snow pretty good. Where's the top of the Snowdog? Okay, thanks, buddy. That's the top of the Snowdog right there. And that's how much snow's on top. That's how much it snowed last night. I guess, and it is still snowing. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at these two blue jays out here. We got like a foot of snow. And they're digging underneath the snow pile to see if there's any food left there. Oh, he got something out of it. He was cracking something on the side. You go, Blue Jays. He's putting his whole body like underneath that snow pile. He's like dug a tunnel. I've never seen that before. That's crazy. Alright, so we have the sled that came with the Snowdog. And we're gonna throw this grip tape that we bought off of Amazon in there, just like on top of the ridges, just to give us some more support, because sometimes you like slide around when you're out in there. So yeah, it should help a bit. This is obviously too long for the individual strips, like too wide, sorry, because this is like 6 inches long. So I already cut 2 strips into like 2¼ inch width, like to the length that we need. So I'm gonna start with those first. Oh, I should mention, we cleaned this without, like, where we're putting this the stuff down. We cleaned it with like alcohol and wiped it down, so it would be actual clean, so stuff can stick to it properly.
You didn't use the scotch, did you?
No.
Besides the fact I can't see anything here. Does it widen up over there? Let me see. Just hold it tight there.
Trying.
Okay, it's not straight, apparently. Let's put this there.
Is it straight there?
Yeah, you might have to restick
Then
yours.
just don't pull it. Okay.
Well, we only have another 24 feet of this, so worst case scenario. There's another sticky situation you've got us into.
Okay.
That one was a tad bit longer at the back,
Was it?
but it should be fine.
Oh, I guess it didn't go.
Oh, I see what happened there. Glad I didn't start that line.
Nice.
All done.
All right, get in there. See how it feels.
Ooh, it's grippy.
Is it? That's good.
I mean, if I'm going to be using it in my slippers.
You suck.
No, you suck.
Something that'd be cool is a powerful chocolate.
I bought some off of Amazon for my garage, and they work super well. They were cheap too. They're LED bars, and they all link together, and they're super low power, and they're bright. They make like the hexagon ones you see in shops. I bought the standard. This plate, we think,
I think it goes in and then down. It drops down.
it's sitting on this piece of
But isn't there a slot?
steel.
Or the back side of it?
Who's that other flashlight?
Why isn't there a YouTube video that shows them taking this off? Like, holy fuck.
Why doesn't this
I
move?
can't get it.
Oh, it's
right here.
stood off. Well, maybe it doesn't come off that.
No, because there's a screw over here coming down that's also holding it in. Right there.
That's holding this. We're just trying
Yeah,
to get
yeah, I
this.
know. All of this to get at the belt that has to get changed probably, because that touches the back of the box, so you can't get the cover off. So this whole front contraption has to come
so
off.
This is probably attached to the box so that it can sit on top of here, this plate. So that should pull out with that plate.
What?
The whole thing. So that plate is probably just to keep it up off of here. So all the screws are out from
No,
behind?
there's one more that I just
Oh.
can't fucking.
Well, yeah, that's gonna be holding it in then.
All right, so the box is off. That's the belt cover there that which we already have disconnected, so that should just pull off. After messing around with the box for a while, it turns out the only stuff that you really have to take apart is there's 3, 4 screws there and one up in here. I'll show you on the other side, and then the whole thing should just pull out. If you're having trouble, ours got caught underneath the seatbelt thing here, so we had to force this a little bit and wiggle it out, and it just pulled right out. Oh. Yeah, so up in here, down the side, and then right here. And then where it got caught is this lip here. This comes out, right? And it got caught right under the seatbelt thing where that bolt is right there. So yeah, you just kind of have to fight with it to get it out there. That's what ours got caught on, so. It's kind of annoying that you have to take that entire side box off to get the belt. It seems like the belt should be easily accessible, but what can you do? Okay, before we figured that out, we tried to take everything apart, so it's gonna be a mess trying to get that all back together. That'll be fun. Oh, right, I forgot. The whole reason that this is coming off is that when my dad went out to grab my brother who came in for Christmas, the Ranger wouldn't go into high, so they had to come back in low the whole way. Halfway, apparently. What are you doing? Okay. Hell yeah. So this just has some bolts going all the way around it that are already out. Let me zoom out a little bit. Bing, bing, bong. Fuck.
No light was on
Huh?
Job late?
Nice. Can you bring that over here? Because I have an issue. The belt looks perfect.
Yeah.
Hey!
Come here.
He took the Kleenex out of the box and swallowed it.
Come here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth now. Don't you fight me. Ow, you little fucker. He swallowed the drugs. I mean the Kleenex.
Oh, God.
Okay, get out of here. You're free to go. Get out of here.
I think you flipped his collar.
I'll flip him all right. Go get your car. Oh. I got his fang right in my nail. You know where the skin is?
Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, right in the little... Oh, that's terrible.
that tender spot.
Look at this guy. So my brother did change the belt on here. There was another belt in this side bucket that it was a thicker one. And apparently you need to use the thicker one when you're using the tracks. Because it just, you need to use it because it works. It makes it work. Because that thin one, I think it is toast now. Because it's all like shiny and stuff on the inside, and everything would be like slipping and stuff, and you couldn't really go into high. But now it runs better than it originally did. I think you can go almost twice the speed when I tested it out. Like, I brought it all the way out to where we parked the truck in low, and I kept it slow, like 4,500-ish RPM. Just to make sure everything's like going in. It was like, I don't know, 10, 15 kilometers or something. And then on the way back, I threw it into high, and it goes like at least twice as fast as it used to. And there was no slipping, no nothing, so it was beautiful. You have to like put the fucking huge garage. Okay, try to fire it up again. Yeah, I have to make sure the brakes are in. Where's the electric start? The yellow one. Probably have to do right? Oh fuck. Fucking nonsense. You fucking sit on it like this? Yeah, you can. How the hell would you fucking steer that? You'll figure it out. It's a new self-driving Ranger.
Yeah.
Look, Ma, no hands. As long as there's tracks on the road, look at the fucking wheels going wild.
It's the Tesla Ranger.
Yeah. He's fighting the Snowdog.
Just like being at the car wash. just don't touch the steering wheel.
Oh,
he's fighting.
Yeah, if there's like tracks on the road, you have to fight it. It sucks.
I haven't touched the steering wheel in like the last minute.
Well, let's go around the corner. Oh.
It's turning the corner.
Let's take it. It's cornering. It's cornering.
It's like it's on rails for sure. Look.
Oh, it's staying in the tracks. Jesus Christ.
And when I was first doing it, I was like fighting with it.
Look at him.
the tracks from the Ranger just dug in.
His arms are gonna be killing him.
Yeah, they do kill.
He's gonna work quick.
Once you get to Theo's, it's a lot better, but
I just crossed my arms, dude.
The fucking Isabel tracks are like driving a fucking truck.
I know. Maybe just try and stay on one of the tracks.
Yeah, no kidding. Oil.
I didn't touch the steering wheel all the way over this. It's fucking, I don't know what kind of freestyle riders you are, but like this should be angled way more up. That's gotta be boosted up to 6 o'clock. That's like on a spot. It's like cancer to fucking why don't we just get this straight up to the front and back it? Dude, that camera's hanging over the edge.
Fuck this fucking goddamn fucking log. My fucking nose is bleeding.
Oh, is it? What's the big? Go there. You want to keep
Alright,
riding?
you're up. I'm not fucking riding this thing.
Oh, there we go. Okay, you can ride that.
fucking throttle.
Fucking Christ.
Oh my lord. I think I might put this thing around my wrist. Whew.
Are you hiding or did you fucking crash?
Huh? The
You
throttle's just like fully stuck.
What's the sled doing up there?
I tried to reverse it out, and the throttle's just fully stuck, and it just sent me.
Oh, jeez. Sent you where? Backwards?
To here? What do you mean to where?
Go backwards? Yeah, backwards.
Well, I tried to go backwards, to back out of the fucking...
Until next Saturday.
Yeah, so, like is shown in the video, the Snowdog's throttle just keeps getting stuck. Like, I don't understand why. Even after driving it for a while there, it was still stuck, and both me and my brother just, like, pretty much ate shit because of it, which is not super fun. Especially when it's called a Snowdog and it's supposed to be used in the snow and the ice. I just don't know why it's sticking. Need to figure out what's going on and how to fix it. So if anyone has any ideas, please let me know. I'd love to know. Thanks.